Hello Bondura, so how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come up with one more tutorial for you all. Thank you for loving my channel and I'm loving my work so much. I hope you will like this video. Today I have made a traditional Bengali bridal look. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my beautiful model Dipsha and this is her before look. I hope you all like the video. Please do subscribe my channel, like, share, comment and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my channel. Okay, so first I am starting with the MAC Stop Cream and I am applying the Stop Cream all over her face, mainly the highlighted zone. The CTM process I have already done before, which is not being shown in the video. So please do the preparing process very well because that is the most important part. Okay, so now I'm drying it with a fan and I love this fan. Okay, so after that I have applied a foundation. Okay, and that is a full coverage foundation called Estee Lauder. So you all have heard about Estee Lauder, so it is a Estee Lauder foundation. Okay, now I'm blending the foundation well. The model is very sleepy and so she's yawning. And now I'm contouring her face with a Fenty Beauty contour stick. I have made this video for you all in a very short period, so I hope you all will like it, and do like, comment and share if you like my work, and please support me so that I can move ahead. I need all your support. Thank you so much. And please check how I am contouring. And now I am highlighting. I am highlighting with Huda Beauty concealer. Like that I have not shown here. So I am highlighting her highlighted zone, that is under the eyes, Cupid's bow, bridge of the nose and the forehead. I hope you all know the contouring and the highlighting process. So I have not shown in details here. So if you want to see, you can let me know. Thank you. And now I am blending her contour. I have already blended her highlighter and now I am applying powder. The powder is from Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier is the best brand in loose translucent setting powder, and I hope you all enjoy this video and do let me know how do you like it. Okay, so now I am applying MAC Studio Fix all over her face just to settle down all the products that I have applied on her skin. Now I'm setting all the makeup with the fixing spray, that is a MAC fixing spray. And now again interruption. Now again I'm applying the Urban Decay fixing, this is the hydrating spray, and this is for hydrating her skin as her skin is super dry. Now I'm applying a highlighter that is from Makeup Studio, and the Makeup Studio highlighter shade I forgot, I'll let you know in the description box. And now I'm putting blusher on her cheeks, and the blusher is from iMagic. It is super pigmented highlighter. Again, to reduce the blusher effect, I'm highlighting. And now again I'm highlighting the highlighted zone with Wet n Wild highlighter. This is a super pigmented highlighter and one of the best highlighter I have in my stock. Now I'm drawing her eyebrows, and this was a class demonstration, guys. So if you want to learn this kind of look, do contact me for bridal classes, and for courses you can contact me on my YouTube or in my personal number, that is 7044 754 704. Now I am building the colors in her eyes because it is a bridal look, so the eye should look super pigmented, and the palette that I have used is from Be Perfect Carnival palette, and you can see how the eyes are looking. The eyes are looking so gorgeous. And now I'm using the iMagic palette and I am building her outer corner with a dark brown color. And the brushes I have used, if you wanted to see eye makeup in details, you can let me know. I'll do a live from my YouTube channel. Okay, so see how I have built her eyes, and do let me know how is the eye makeup looking. Okay, because it was a super subtle eye makeup with a very glossy finish, makeup. You have already seen how she was looking in the complete look I have attached before. So now I am highlighting her brow bone with a highlighter. So guys, do subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon, and don't forget to hit like button. Okay, now I'm building her lower eyes, the lower section of the eyes, and it's the most tough part, and the most important thing for eye makeup is blending. You should focus on blending more, because the more good you do blending, the more gorgeous your look will come out. Now again I'm applying highlighter. As you all know, this is a bridal look, so this look will be a little bit heavier. The makeup will be a little bit heavier. So I hope you all like it, and do let me know how do you find the look. And I think she's looking gorgeous. Her eyebrows, her eyes, her highlighting zone is looking so superb. I hope you all like it, and I hope that you will definitely let me know how do you find the look. And this is the look without the lipstick and the look with the complete eye makeup. I hope you all like it. Let me know guys, because I'm making this video just for you all. And see the lipstick color. Wow, this is from MAC. This is from MAC, sorry. I think this is MAC Feel So Grand. I'm so sorry, this is MAC Feel So Grand. And here is her final look. I have draped the sari with two saris together like a lehenga style, and I hope you all like the look. And I have made a little bit different kind of look in traditional finish, so please let me know how do you find it. I hope you all like the look, and she's looking so gorgeous, and the makeup is glowing. Wow. And let me tell you, this is a complete waterproof makeup. Few steps are not being shown here how to do the makeup waterproof. So if you want to learn how to do the makeup waterproof, do join our classes, and I hope you all will be super satisfied, because the waterproof makeup is the current trend, and I hope you all like it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the last look. Thank you guys. Bye bye.